cave. Yaya, do you see the light?
Yes, it's so sparkly.
Is the big diamond inside? I really want to see it.
To open the chest, we must say the magic password. Today's password is ni hao. We need to be very polite. The voice controller selects slow. Let's say it slow.
Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Gulu say the magic password, but it is still locked.
We must play the voice controller again to say the password in a different way.
Everyone, come help me. Say it with us.
Okay, let's try to say it fast.
Ni hao, 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 ni hao. We did it!
Thank you for helping. Your voice energy is amazing.
Gulu did a good job. We got our first